DreamCloud mattresses offer a luxury feel at a budget-friendly price, making them one of the best value hybrid options on the market. Built by Resident, the same company behind Nectar, DreamCloud comes in both memory foam and hybrid versions, with features like a cashmere blend cover, gel-infused foams, and pocketed coils for sport and cooling. The hybrid suits people who toss and turn, while memory foam is great for back pain and pressure relief. Prices are heavily discounted like the DreamCloud Classic Queen at around $800 or the 13-inch Premier Hybrid at $1,000 instead of $2,300. The top tier Lux Hybrid, with its quilted Eurotop, runs about $1,500 on sale. Every model includes a 365-day trial, lifetime warranty, and free shipping, with optional white glove delivery. Compared to luxury brands like Sattva, DreamCloud sacrifices some eco-friendly perks but delivers similar comfort and support for $1,000 less. If you want an affordable yet high-quality mattress backed by generous policies, DreamCloud is an excellent choice. Do your own research.